Alright, hey guys, this is the channel for Minecraft stuff and more. Back with another ceiling fan video. What you see here is a Casablanca Delta 2 from, you can see the serial number, it says EK190309. So, it dates to May 19th, 2000, and I think it was a 300 day for the 309th family that day. Let me show you that 309th family that day. Also, it is a month apart from the artisan. As you can see, this fan is on high. This one was shut off just for showcase. I don't know what finish this is. It looks like in some kind of iron. Around same color as a veranda, but yeah, I don't know. I'll have to look in the catalog and see what finish this is. Alright, so we'll go ahead and give it a demonstration, starting with low. I got this ceiling fan at Habitat Restore for $25. It was a pretty good deal. Didn't come with hang true screws or a crossbar bracket, but I will get one of those soon just to complete it. And for this to be installed, it also needs a light kit. But tracking one down in this finish is almost impossible. Therefore, the finish is rare. So I most likely will custom paint one myself. Alright, we'll take it up to medium. Like most 3-speed Casablancas, the chain sequence is low, medium, and high. So that's a pretty good feature with this fan. Most, if not all, of the non-Hunter Halsey Homestead, the 3-speed Casablancas, yeah, the change sequence is low, medium, and high. Alright, we'll put it up to high. Casablancas would do with a stack motor. It surprisingly moves as fast as the artisan. While this fan, pull chain, and the artisan is IntelliTouch. So back to this fan. So, yeah, it is a really good ceiling fan. Zephyrs and Delta 2s are pretty common here in Texas. So, yeah. Yeah, talking about that, you know, is that I live in Texas. Casablancas and originals are common in my area. So, yeah. Alright. We'll go ahead and reverse it. Do the speed in reverse. So here's low in reverse. Medium in reverse. High in reverse. If this had shorter blades, it would go crazy fast. All Casablancas could do. It wobbles a little more in reverse, but doesn't really bother me too much. Alright, that is it. It's my Casablanca Delta 2 in a rare finish, which I got from the Habitat Restore. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. The channel random Minecraft stuff and more.